Some days you're the fuck-or. Most days you're the fucky. That right there is the underside of a Yamazaki horizontal milling machine, which has seen better days. At least we get to clean out the underside now. Apparently, I miscalculated the height of the centroid of the area. Now what? I'll tell you what. Allora el problema es, as the Mexicans say, twofold, or dos equis. I gotta set and have a stink on this. Jeez, this door closed. As Miss May June will tell you, plans change. The modern-day Cro-Magnon man in his never-ending quest for fire to inure himself from the bitter cold outside. Behold. Same shit, different pile. Couldn't make a knot like that if you tried. No, what you need here, partner, is a bigger hammer. No, that's not tight. Whack it in the middle. There you go, there you go. Swing! You owe me 2 more swings! Pas possis, comme le gars d'O.J. Simpson. Oh, stalled out a little bit, but she's fair skookum now. Comme qu'on dit au Quebec, you can slow us down, but you can't fuck us. Over. Apparently, they used to make these in factories every day up until 2 months ago. Now they're dear as hen's teeth. I'm going to lop off this ready rod. Well, loosen this nut off. The deal is, it's beautiful to keep the nut on when you zip cut them, because then when you pop the nut off, you automatically reform the threads. I just got nut at either end of her. I saw a movie like that once. So what are the odds that we loosen this nut off and not the other? Should have welded it, but... Oh, buy a lotto ticket. These are eye bolts that are nuts. It's got the female thread. They ain't good for... Yeah, they're quite weak. 340 kilograms rated. 2 of them ought to be enough to sling the sledder on. Oh, turning the whole ready rod, got to impact them on. Clack. For a chunk of gravity in her. 3 whore, 100 pounds. Off to the Widowmaker. If nothing else, she appears to be well lubricated. I'll just dip my stick in her here. Where's baby doll when you need her? Thick and black. Just the way I'll do you a deal. I'll give you a wee kiss of the wasp attractant. Start, you bastard. Mind you me, you still got some work to do. Don't forget. I don't like me, and you don't like me either. But if you don't kill me today, we'll continue with our onslaught of abuse and neglect. Deal? No deal. Oh yeah. Safety. Start, you bastard! Start, you bastard! fuck off. Assholes with wings. Oh, purring like a kitten, and it's whisper quiet. I'm an operator, not that fucking. Get out of here. Freaking me out. Let's see here. Gently, smooth. Oh no. Story of baby doll's life. 6 inches shy. Never mind, it's a foot. We're using the man's ruler. Oh, that's all I got. Granted, she's a little sloppy in the hips, but who am I to judge once that beer parlor lights come on? We're near. Perfect. Not that it wasn't perfect before, but, you know, gilding the lily. Perfect. These old girls, you gotta plan your moves, the brakes being non-existent. Even the factory brakes are more of a hope and a prayer. Light some incense and blow it around type deal. I'm giving her also supper, but she just won't come. Furtive, tentative, initial pokes didn't go so well. At the very least, they were quick. We got a proper Mary Ellen Carter situation here. Girder's 4.5 to 15-minute job here, and I'm late for supper. Come on, Casey, you can do it. Fucking sketchy. Hotter there, per near. Another little extra pucker against the fart in a windstorm we would have had. You see where they wore on the side of the stone boat. Just that tipping point. Any equipment haulers know that's you just got to ride it out. And I didn't have the balls to just give her one. Well, with the peepers clamped right tight, I didn't catch much of that. Likely you didn't either by the countenance of the camera. Nothing left but twisted steel and sex appeal. We were doing the old Bronx and Donks routine, jumping up and down, and now we got just a little top note of gear lube. I don't know what we're doing, but it doesn't appear to be working. Fucked up my good strap on too. Just about to call in reinforcements here, the picker truck. Unfortunately, it costs more to get them out here than the thing is worth. You know, it's getting serious when you're warming up the Lego engineering. Jenga blocks. Only thing missing is a jackal Widowmaker. Not to worry, that'll be next. I'm thinking she'll have enough chooch if we use the cross beam here. We'll lift her up, put some dunnage in there, drop her down, take the chain off, re-hook, you know, like the way the aliens built the pyramids. Yeah. Pretty fucking heavy. I wouldn't get too close to your thermometer. She's likely to come down. interesting, especially with no brakes. As an ancillary benefit, I can now turn coal into diamonds, and I also need a new operator seat. We got bite marks taken out of it. In any case, it's on the stone boat. I will unhook and yard her around. Never fails, but you get the chain as tight as she'll suffer. You gotta get that half last link in. Hep it, hep, hep. Need a feather to tickle that clutch. That sumbitch is heavy. Heavier than it looks. But that is the beauty of a stone boat. You can't lift it, you can still drag it. We'll get her there. We'll get her into the shop, acclimated up to temperature, and with the bright-eyed earnestness of young machinists everywhere, we'll get her converted to CNC as the all-knowing graybeard machinists clock on. I got other plans for this. Not to worry, that'll buff out. Thanks for watching. Give your dick in a vice. Stone boat!